In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing executable file on Steam. If you're getting the missing executable error when you try to launch a game, don't worry, this usually means Steam can't find or load the game's main file. I'll walk you through 3 reliable fixes, and by the end you should be up and running again. First, repair the game files through Steam. Open your Steam library, right-click the game that's showing the error, and choose Properties. In the window that opens, go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your installation and automatically re-download or repair anything that's missing or corrupted, including the executable file. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your internet speed. Let it complete without interruption, and watch for any progress messages. When it finishes, try launching the game again to see if the error resolves. Next, check for conflicting launch options. While you're still in the game's Properties window, switch to the General tab. At the bottom, find the Launch Options field. If there's any text in there, custom flags, commands, or parameters, delete it so the field is empty. Custom launch options can point Steam to the wrong binary or block the normal startup path. Clearing them ensures the game launches with its default, safe configuration. Close the Properties window when you're done. Finally, give Steam the permissions it needs and restart it cleanly. Close Steam completely, not just the main window. Open Task Manager and end any Steam processes that are still running in the background so nothing is left open. Then, right-click your Steam shortcut or icon, choose Open File Location, and in that folder right-click Steam.exe. Select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now start Steam again. If you see a permission prompt, allow it. Running Steam as an administrator helps it create, update, and access game files without permission issues that can trigger missing executable errors. At this point, launch your game once more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.